Welcome to my channel. I'm Godieva Beauty, and today I'll be showing you how to get this pretty pink eyeshadow look. First, pack some pink eyeshadow into your crease. Before you blend, pack some orange eyeshadow on top of the pink. Take some dark brown and blend that on the corner of your eye. Now take the concealer of your choice and cut your crease halfway. Now pack some light pink eyeshadow onto your concealer. Ladies, I cannot stress this enough. Make sure that you are patting it in patting motions onto your eyelid so that it doesn't get everywhere and you get full coverage. Add a little bit of black to the corners just to touch it up. Add some eyeliner. And y'all know I can't forget that highlighter. And this is the finished look, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more videos from me, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like all my social networks at Godieva Beauty.